What's up guys, Ollie here from Overload. A bit cold today, it's about -1, but we're going to get a quick shot of the new Apparition carbon that we picked up. Standard at the moment, but we're just going to see what we can get speed wise with it. Standard controllers in it, I'll put in the description what it's got inside. It's pretty much a standard Hobby King style motor, 26 kV. That's a 90 amp 5 to 7S ESC. We've got their Garmin and their GPS. We're going to see what it does stock. It did come with a plastic propeller, but we put on an aluminium free blade that we got. We're just going to run it on a 3S at the moment, just see what it can go like. Plans in the future are to try and get this to do about 70 mile an hour. But as I say, you know, I had to do a few modifications to the prop shaft and that, just to get it to actually work.
This is dangerous. Open up your head, feel the shell shock. This is dangerous. Open up your head, feel the shell shock. This is dangerous. I walk through my fields and watch your head rock. This is dangerous. Open up your head, feel the shell shock. This is dangerous. I walk through my fields and watch your head rock. To watch your head rock. This is dangerous. Open up your head, feel the shell shock. This is dangerous. Open up your head, feel the shell shock.
So it didn't go too bad. GPS is freezing. I think much trying to do the carbon fibre mat being too thick. But the boat went well. We'll look at the cooling issues it's got. But where it's so cold, I don't think that made a difference though.